A third year UG from Mechanical Engineering Department. I am contesting for the position of General Secretary Sports Affairs. I have been part of the Institute Sports Council as an events convener and as well as the Institute Volleyball Secretary as well. During my tenure, I also got an opportunity to serve as the sport head in the 56th Inter-IT Sports Meet. And I was also the sport head in Avan and the NSO coordinator in my tenure. So sports have been an integral part of my life since childhood, shaping my discipline and skill to walk along with others. It's not just a hobby, but a driving force in my growth. My journey from being a player to taking up leadership roles in sports community has given me the opportunity to contribute meaningfully. Seeing the positive impact of structured management, team development, and strength sporting achievements motivate me to push IT Bombay sports culture forward and create an environment where every athlete can thrive. As a candidate for General Secretary Sports Affairs, my vision is to maintain and grow the IIT Bombay sports culture and continue its tradition of sporting excellence. Over the years, IIT Bombay has built a legacy of success in sports, and goal is to continue the building the competitive spirit, increase participation, and support our athletes in every way possible. One of the key focuses will be making sports more accessible to everyone. This involves fitness and injury recovery workshops as well as sports day for specially able students. These initiatives will make sports a part of every student's life regardless of their background. Improving our infrastructure is also very crucial. New outdoor volleyball courts, resurfacing basketball courts, and expanding training facilities will give athletes the space and tools they need to succeed. Supporting our athletes goes beyond physical space. It's about their mental and emotional well-being as well. Introducing mental health awareness sessions and workout room at indoor courts will help create a more holistic environment for them. Inclusivity will be another cornerstone. Recruiting female trainers and improving facilities for women ensures that everyone feels welcome and supportive in our sports community. Finally, we'll celebrate our victories and engage the large community through initiatives like Arjun Utsav, an immersive video series on inter-IT preparations, and a podcast that shapes and shares the inspiring stories of our athletes. Strengthening alumni connections and network will ensure long-term support for our teams. Okay, so as of now, our sprinkler system, we have a single water source, and this will be done during the summers. जिसलिए कभी भी किसी स्पोर्टिंग कल्चर को किसी पर्सन को प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी इस चीज़ के रिगार्डिंग एंड इट विल टेक ओनली 15 to 30 days and this can easily be done. I have done downloads with estate and all, and currently we have only one water source. This चीज़ के regarding I want to expand the number of sources of water. That's it.
So how will the summer camp happen?
समर कैंप इज ड्यूरिंग मेनली अपना इंडोर्स में और आउटडोर्स में अलग अलग डिफरेंट वेन्यूज पे होता है, तो दिस विल नॉट बी हिंडर्ड. Right. So I have talked to a few institutes of engineering like Nehru Institute, and I have done जो भी अपनी रिगार्डिंग ऑफ क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स वगैरह होगी विच विल भी अपने डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. तो सेकेंडली अपन स्टूडेंट्स को एक गूगल फॉर्म के वाया जो भी इंटरेस्टेड है उनका डेटाबेस कलेक्ट करके देन विल कलेक्टिवली इंस्टीट्यूट को प्रोवाइड करेंगे एंड इंडिविजुअली वो देखेंगे.
When will this be conducted, like considering the students have their internships and projects?
Right, so this will be conducted in initial stage of summer breaks वगैरह जो होते हैं अपना like after May. So जो भी interested हो जिनकी internship वगैरह का problem ना हो वो they can participate. So this is not a compulsory course. जो भी अपने PG students हैं जो interested हैं based on their academic commitments they can join. And secondly PG students जो भी voluntarily आना चाहते हैं उनको year long अपन workshop वगैरह NSO sessions में involve करेंगे and coach will be coach वहाँ पे present करेंगे उनको सिखाने के लिए.
Will it be combined with the undergraduate NSO?
Right. This will be a combined session जो अपना existing timeline में match करेगा.
How will you manage ground and coach availability since NSO for undergraduate students will also be conducted?
Right. So ये मैंने सारे स्पोर्ट्स ऑफिसर से डिस्कस किए एंड दे आर विलिंग टू टेक मोर स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम PG as well. So अपने नॉन इंटर स्पोर्ट्स लाइक पिकल बॉल एंड आर्चरी काफ़ी लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं। अपन बाकी स्टूडेंट्स जो इंटर नहीं खेलते उनको भी नए स्पोर्ट्स में इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए मैं कराना चाहता हूँ। सेकेंडली फॉर पिकल बॉल फॉर एग्जांपल ये हम लॉन टेनिस कोर्ट पे करवाएंगे एंड जो भी इक्विपमेंट्स वगैरह प्रोवाइड होंगे वो वेंडर्स वगैरह प्रोवाइड करेंगे।
So wouldn't it affect lawn tennis practice?
No.
How?
The timeline of the event will be discussed with the sports officer. Yes. The
What is the
location is अपना सिंथेटिक एथलेटिक्स ट्रैक के पीछे हम फुटबॉल टर्फ के साइड में वी हैव एन एम्प्टी स्पेस, दिस विल बी द लोकेशन।
So, considering that it is not an inter-IT sport, how do you plan to ensure the player safety as it is a contact sport and authorities are not much supportive of contact sports?
राइट, सो अपने इंस्टीट्यूट में कबड्डी काफ़ी जो कल्चर है काफ़ी ग्रो कर रहे हैं। अपन उद्घोष वगैरह में भी काफ़ी उद्घोष स्पर्धा में काफ़ी अपने आईआईटी के रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, दे आर परफॉर्मिंग वेल। अपना कोच को अपन बाद में लेटर ऑन ऐड भी कर सकते हैं इस चीज़ के रिगार्डिंग, एंड अपने जो भी सेफ्टी कंसर्न्स वगैरह होंगे वो अपन इंश्योर करेंगे कि ऐसा कुछ ना हो।
And what is the proposed timeline for execution?
This will be done, the initiation will be done during summers. तो एज ऑफ नाउ अपने जितने भी कंटिजेंट हैं विल बी फैसिलिटेटिंग देम, सो इसकी वजह से ऑफ कोर्स दे विल वांट कि अपन कंटिजेंट का पार्ट बने या लेटर ऑन अपन इस इवेंट का पार्ट रहे।
And will this be alongside the NCC March Past and how will the practice be coordinated?
राइट, सो दिस विल बी अलॉन्ग विद द एनसीसी कैंप, एनसीसी मार्च पास्ट, एंड जो भी अपने एनसीसी के सीनियर्स हैं वो कंडक्ट करवाएंगे ट्रेनिंग सेशंस, तो अलॉन्ग विद देम वी विल जॉइन। So, as a general secretary, ensuring accountability requires a structured approach. Regular updates through open forms, reports, and meeting with captains, secretaries, and hostel representatives is a method जिसमें अपन ट्रांसपेरेंट कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हैं। And monthly feedback from athletes, captains, and coaches to track progress and address their concerns, as well as we will maintain records of attendance, participation, and fund allocation to ensure responsible management, and we will enable players to report issues without any hesitation via anonymous Google form. So sports at IIT Bombay is more than just a competition. I am committed to make our sporting culture more inclusive, providing better facilities and ensuring that every athlete, whether beginner or pro, gets the support they need to thrive. With your trust and support, we can take IIT Bombay sports to the next level. Let's build a stronger, more vibrant sporting community together. Until victory always.